Welcome to my channel, Technology in the Future. Prepare to be amazed by the latest Mac Mini, a technological marvel that redefines the boundaries of compact computing. Rumors hint at a game-changing upgrade, distilling cutting-edge features into an astonishingly small form factor. This radical redesign transforms the Mac Mini into a sleek, space-saving powerhouse, perfect for modern workspaces and homes. The new Mac Mini's diminutive size, potentially rivaling that of an Apple TV, belies its impressive capabilities. This tiny titan packs a punch, delivering unparalleled performance and efficiency in a remarkably small package. The latest Mac Mini is poised to revolutionize the world of compact computing, boasting next-generation processing, enhanced energy efficiency, breakthrough graphics capabilities. Get ready to experience the future of compact computing with the new Mac Mini, where innovation meets minimalism. Shrinking the footprint, expanding the possibilities. The latest Mac Mini is expected to be significantly smaller than its predecessor, potentially rivaling the size of an Apple TV. This drastic reduction in size makes it perfect for those with limited desk space or seeking a clutter-free setup, unleashing the power of M4. At the heart of the new Mac Mini lies the revolutionary M4 chip, a monumental leap forward from its predecessor, the M2. This cutting-edge processor is engineered to deliver turbocharged processing, enhanced processing capabilities for lightning-fast task execution, effortless multitasking, and accelerated productivity. Energy efficiency redefined, improved power management for reduced heat generation, lower energy consumption, and extended battery life. Graphics reinvented, a more powerful GPU, unlocking seamless video editing, 3D modeling, and gaming experiences with faster rendering and higher frame rates. The M4 chip is the backbone of the new Mac Mini, empowering users to tackle demanding tasks with ease, creativity, and precision. With its unparalleled performance, efficiency, and graphics capabilities, the M4 chip sets a new benchmark for compact computing. Storage galore. The new Mac Mini is poised to shatter storage expectations, offering an astonishing up to 8 terabytes of capacity, a monumental leap from its predecessor. This vast storage expanse caters to the most demanding users, including content creators. Seamlessly store and edit high-resolution videos, images, and audio files with ample room for project files and assets. Gamers house extensive game libraries with space for future downloads and expansions. Power users enjoy unparalleled storage for files, documents, and applications, eliminating the need for external drives. With up to 8 terabytes of storage, the new Mac Mini redefines the boundaries of compact computing, providing a centralized hub for all your files, creative projects, and digital endeavors. Connectivity redefined. The latest Mac Mini will feature the new Mac Mini boasts the trio of USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, unlocking blistering data transfer speeds. Transfer files at breathtaking velocities of up to 40 GBps, revolutionizing workflow efficiency. Multi-device connectivity. Daisy chain up to 6 devices, including monitors, hard drives, and peripherals for a streamlined workspace. The HDMI 2.1 port ensures seamless display connectivity. Effortlessly connect to external displays, projectors, or TVs, supporting resolutions up to 8K at 60 Hz. The dedicated power port provides convenient charging. Effortlessly keep your Mac Mini powered, eliminating the need to share ports or compromise on performance. Experience unparalleled connectivity and convenience with the new Mac Mini, where speed, versatility, and ease converge. Stay tuned for further revelations about the revolutionary new Mac Mini. As the launch approaches, anticipation builds for this groundbreaking device. Get ready to experience the ultimate in compact computing, where power, efficiency, and innovation converge. Discover a new era of seamless productivity, creativity, and entertainment, all within a remarkably small footprint. The future of compact computing is almost here. Stay ahead of the curve and prepare to be amazed.